Former U.S. Defense Secretary James Mattis says Russian brutal invasion of Ukraine is pathetic and operationally stupid. "We have a saying in America, we say that nations with allies thrive, nations without allies wither, and we're watching Russia wither before our eyes right now," Mattis said, claiming Russia had incompetent generals in charge of operations which had led to the immoral, the tactically incompetent, operationally stupid and strategically foolish effort of the campaign. "The tragedy of our time is that Putin is a creature straight out of Dostoevsky. He goes to bed every night angry, he goes to bed every night fearful, he goes to bed every night thinking that Russia is surrounded by nightmares, and this has guided him," he said. Mattis's comments come after Russia announced it was leaving Ukraine's Snake Island in what has been seen as a major setback for Vladimir Putin. The island, located 120 kilometers from Ukraine's southern coast in the Black Sea, is in a key strategic position. Russia said it had pulled its forces from Snake Island as a goodwill gesture to allow Kyiv to export agricultural products. On June 30, as a gesture of goodwill, the Russian armed forces completed their tasks on Snake Island and withdrew a garrison station there, the defense ministry said in a statement. The announcement came after Ukraine launched several raids on Russian forces on the island, and it has been celebrated as a victory for the nation. "I thank the defenders of Odessa region who took maximum measures to liberate a strategically important part of our territory," Valery Zaluzhny, the Ukraine military's commander-in-chief, said on Telegram. Unable to withstand the fire of our artillery, missile and airstrikes, the occupiers left Snake Island. Meanwhile, CNN has reported that assassination attempts have been carried out against 3 pro-Russian officials in the past fortnight, indicating a growing resistance movement in southern Ukraine, which is partially occupied by Russia. The network reports all 3 incidents occurred in the town of Kherson, and the area is strategically important to Russia due to its access to the Black Sea coast and the Crimean Peninsula. The first attack took place on June 16 when an explosion damaged a vehicle. However, the target, the pro-Russian head of Kherson's prison service Evgeny Sobolev, survived. On June 24, Dmitry Savlichenko, the pro-Russian official in charge of the Department of Youth and Sports for the Kherson region, was killed in another car explosion. Michael Kaufman, director for Russia studies at the Center for Naval Analyses, told CNN he believed Russia would struggle to establish a proper government in occupied areas of Ukraine due to strong local resistance efforts. "I think Russia is going to have significant challenges in trying to establish any sort of stable administration for these regions because likely collaborators, more prominent ones, are going to be assassinated and others will be living in fear," he said. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.